Today's tech tip is a very simple suggestion to help prevent damaging an airbag clock spring the next time you service a steering column. As you know, on many vehicles, when you remove the steering wheel, the airbag clock spring can then freewheel. So to prevent the airbag clock spring from improperly re-indexing itself during your repair, simply take a rubber band, a piece of string, a wire, whatever is handy, to tie off the clock spring like this, so that it is that as we're servicing the steering column, the clock spring doesn't re-index itself. So now when we go back together with the assembly, the clock spring will remain in the position that it was indexed in at the point where we took the steering wheel off. Hopefully this suggestion helps you the next time you service a steering column and helps you in the prevention of damaging the airbag clock spring. Stay tuned for more tips.